The MOTOEYE 6 HUD is a head-up display (HUD) system designed for motorcycles. It is an all-in-one device that combines a HUD, GPS, hands-free kit, and voice command, allowing you to keep your eyes on the road at all times. The MOTOEYE 6 HUD projects information such as speed, navigation, and incoming calls onto a transparent display that is mounted in front of your helmet. This allows you to see this information without having to take your eyes off the road. The MOTOEYE 6 HUD is also equipped with a Bluetooth controller that can be mounted on your handlebars. This controller allows you to easily control all of the functions of the HUD, such as answering calls, changing music tracks, and starting navigation. GPS navigation hands-free calling voice command Bluetooth controller. Mesh communication E6SE only. The MOTOEYE 6 HUD is a great way to improve safety and convenience while riding your motorcycle. It allows you to keep your eyes on the road at all times, and it provides you with all of the information you need to navigate and make calls. The Manta5 Hydrofoil SL3 is an electric hydrofoil bike that promises a unique cycling experience on water. Unlike conventional water bikes that use pontoons or hulls for buoyancy, the SL3 utilizes hydrofoils to lift the rider and bike above the water, creating a smoother and faster ride. This technology allows riders to easily get up and foiling, even in choppy conditions. 10 levels of electric assist coupled with throttle override. This provides riders with the ability to tailor the amount of assistance they need and to give them an extra burst of power when needed. Quick connection parts for super easy transport and storage. The SL3 can be broken down into several parts for easy transport and storage. Self-locking tiller. This tiller automatically keeps the rider balanced and above the water, even when stationary. This makes the SL3 very user-friendly, even for beginners. Up to 4.5 hours of battery life. This allows riders to enjoy extended rides on the water. The SL3 is a truly unique watercraft that combines the thrill of cycling with the freedom of being on the water. It is a great option for people who are looking for a new and exciting way to experience the outdoors. The Mercane TRANSBOARD is a three-wheeled electric scooter that features a self-balancing control system so it can be ridden without any complicated instructions or specialized training. One-touch folding system. This system allows you to easily fold the scooter for storage or transport. Lightweight design. The TRANSBOARD weighs only 42 pounds, 19 kilograms, making it easy to carry. LED display. The display shows speed, trip length, and other trip-related information. Self-balancing control system. This system helps to keep the scooter upright, even on uneven terrain. 500-watt electric motor. This motor provides enough power to reach a top speed of 20 miles per hour, 25 kilometers per hour. The Mercane TRANSBOARD is a good option for riders who are looking for a fun and easy way to get around town. It is also a good option for riders who are new to electric scooters, as the self-balancing control system makes it easy to learn to ride. The Terraglide electric recumbent trike is a new electric tricycle designed to offer a luxurious and effortless riding experience. Provides power to the trike, allowing you to ride without pedaling if desired. Recumbent design. You recline in a seated position, which can be more comfortable for your back and legs compared to an upright bicycle. Trike design. 3 wheels provide stability and balance, making it a good option for people who are new to cycling or who may not feel comfortable riding a 2-wheeled bike. Sleek and modern design. The Terraglide has a futuristic look that stands out from traditional bicycles. Adjustable pedal resistance. Even with the electric motor, you can still pedal the trike for exercise if you choose. The resistance can be adjusted to match your fitness level. The Terraglide is still under development, but it is expected to be a great option for people who are looking for a comfortable, stylish, and easy-to-use electric vehicle. The Trikelet is a unique electric vehicle that stands out due to its compact and foldable design. It's touted as the world's smallest foldable electric vehicle. This electrically driven scooter can be folded into very small dimensions, which makes it highly portable and easy to carry in public transportation or handle as hand luggage. One of the key features of the Trikelet is that the soiled parts fold to the inside and any dripping water is collected, ensuring that the folded Trikelet can be handled cleanly. It's also designed to be user-friendly, with easy riding and folding mechanisms. You don't have to lift or turn the Trikelet to fold it. In fact, it can be dragged along like a luggage trolley, eliminating the need to lift it. The current prototype model is equipped with a 500-700W motor, which can reportedly achieve maximum speeds of 20 km per hour and cover a distance of about 15 km on a full charge. However, it's important to note that the regulations concerning these types of vehicles differ per country. For more detailed information, it's recommended to visit the official website or contact the manufacturer directly. The Blasi R30 is a folding electric mobility scooter that is primarily designed for individuals with mobility problems, including the elderly and the disabled. This scooter is not only light and fast, but also easy to drive and fold. One of its standout features is its automatic folding capability. With just the press of a button, it folds up into the size of a small suitcase. Another button press unfolds it in a few seconds, ready for use. When folded, the R30's compact dimensions allow for easy transportation in a car boot, plane, or train, and it can be conveniently stored at home. Driving the R30 is straightforward. Simply flick the switch and press the motor control lever to start and regulate the speed. The scooter brakes automatically when the motor control lever is released. The Hiriko was a unique electric car that was under development by the Hiriko Driving Mobility Consortium in the Basque Country of northern Spain. This two-seat urban electric car was intended to be the commercial implementation of the City Car project developed by the Massachusetts Institute of Technology Media Lab. The name Hiriko comes from the Basque word for urban or from the city. The Hiriko was designed to be compact and foldable, with a 20-horsepower electric motor controlled by a drive-by-wire system. It was capable of achieving a range of 120 kilometers, 75 miles, with a top speed of 50 kilometers per hour, 31 miles per hour. Each will contain a separate drive motor, steering, braking, and suspension system, which allowed its body to collapse into two separate units for tight parking spaces. The Hiriko had a maximum length of 2,500 millimeters, 98.4 in, and a curb weight of 500 kilograms, 1,100 pounds. The General Motors ENV, Electric Network Vehicle, is a concept car that was developed in collaboration with Segway Incorporated. This two-seat urban electric vehicle is unique in its ability to be driven normally or operated autonomously. One of the most significant features of the ENV is its autonomous operation. The vehicle can detect and avoid obstacles, including other vehicles, park itself, and even come to you when called by phone. The ENV is powered by two electric motors, one on each wheel, and a lithium iron phosphate battery. It has a top speed of 40 kilometers per hour, 25 miles per hour, and a maximum all-electric range of 40 kilometers, 25 miles. In October 2011, General Motors announced its decision to develop a second concept ENV under the Chevrolet badge for use in field testing and demonstration programs, beginning in Tianjin, China. However, it's important to note that the ENV was a concept car and is not currently in production. Folding car inspired. There are several folding cars that have been inspired by various concepts and needs, primarily the need for space efficiency in urban environments. One such example is a folding car inspired by Transformers, which can fold itself up and squeeze into small spaces, making parking much easier. Another example is a folding car designed by Kunio Okawara, the mecha character designer for the original Gundam anime. This car is meant to save space when parking and makes the driver feel like a pilot. Lastly, an Israeli innovation is capturing attention in the streets of Tel Aviv. City Transformer's foldable car prototype, dubbed the world's first, is another example of a folding car. These innovative designs aim to address the challenges of urban mobility and parking, demonstrating the potential of folding cars and the future of transportation.